Hello YouTubers, this is SoapTeehee1 and we're here with the Lego City Camper. It's my first Lego review, first video. Yeah, so I'll just show you the box. Set number 7639, Lego Camper. Pieces 165, and it's a modular build, easy start, so this is for beginners. Let's move on with the minifigures. So, comes with 2 minifigures. One girl, I like the hair, nice and detailed. Red shirt, really nice. Blue pants, navy pants. And the guy, he has a muscle shirt, a surfer shirt, blue pants, just a smiling face, this nice hair. Okay. And it comes with one fish, which is really neat. And it's supposed to be a fire or something. This is supposed to be a fire or something. I don't really know what it is. Yeah, I'd rate this set 9 out of 10 stars. I really like it. So it comes with one bike, nice and detailed. The wheels spin really nice. And one surfboard. The first surfboard they actually made. Yeah. Okay, move on to the camper. So here's the camper. 4 wheels, of course. The doors open. And this is where the driver drives, of course. If you take this little piece off, the camper comes out and you get one cup, a mini TV right here saying the news. It's really neat. And then one pan right here, and one minifigure can sleep up here. There's lots of room, almost fits my 2 fingers. One cup here, 2 seats, and a ladder going up to the roof, and the stickers are super nice and detailed. So yeah, thanks for watching. Tune in for more of my Lego reviews. Bye.